Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HYLN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here moving forward. But rough day with a gap and trap this morning, but you also have to give credit where credit's due, where the bulls showed up and have made a nice move. And when you stop thinking about where the price was at the lows down here, and then seeing how the price has recovered. Now, don't get me wrong, there's still work to be done, but the point here being is there's been some nice upwards price movement, but that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, and in my opinion, that level that's going to help us out here is at 37.50. Now, why is 37.50 important? And I'm not saying all of this is what's going to actually happen, but if the price were to come down to 37.50, behave in that manner, then go to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas if the price came down here, behaved in that manner, then started to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as 37.50. As far as areas of resistance are concerned moving forward, key battleground to watch, initially going to be right up there at the 41.50 mark. So 41.50, public enemy number one. And if the price can push up through that level, you also want to keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving, so that line is going to move itself lower and lower and get more relevant as the week plays out. But one hurdle at a time, and we'll see if the price can first get up through there. But you got to give credit where credit's due. Nice momentum here showing on the bulls' part. Now it's just a question of can the price build upon this strength moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.